Hello friends, I'm Ashwini and I'm here with my ninth video of learning Hiragana alphabets. In my previous video, I had taught you how to make the mixed sounds and the long sounds with Hiragana alphabets. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the different pronunciations of the letter N from the basic Hiragana alphabets. When I taught you the Hiragana alphabets, I had mentioned you that this letter N is going to be pronounced differently. So here I will teach you exactly how to be pronounced. Firstly, when this alphabet N comes before the alphabets of the line Ma line, Ba line and Pa line, it is to be pronounced as like in ample. Okay, I'll go once again. When the Hiragana letter N comes before the Ma line alphabets, the Ba line alphabets, and the Pa line alphabets, it should be pronounced as like in ample. I have some examples here. The first example is Shinbun. Now you can see here I have the letter N before Bu. So it should be pronounced as Okay, so this word should be pronounced as Shimbun. Shimbun, which means newspaper. The second example is Zembu. Zembu, which means all. The third example is Sampun. Sampun, which means 3 minutes. The fourth example is Amari. Amari, which means not really. I will pronounce it once again. Shimbun. Shimbun. Zembu. Zembu. Sampun. Sampun. Amari. Amari. Got it? Yes. Now the second way of pronouncing it is when this letter N comes before the Ta line alphabets, Da line alphabets, Ra line alphabets, and Na line alphabets, it must be pronounced as N, as in engine. Okay, I'll go once again. When the alphabet N comes before the Ta line alphabets, Da line alphabets, Ra line alphabets, and Na line alphabets, it is pronounced as N, as in engine. Now let's go with some examples. The first one is bento. Now here we have to after N. So it must be pronounced as N. So the word is pronounced as bento, which is lunch box. My second example is sentaku. Sentaku, which means laundry. Here you can see after N we have the alphabet Ta. The third example is minna. Minna. We have Na after N and it should be pronounced as N. So it becomes minna. Everyone. The fourth example is hantai. Hantai, which means opposite. I'll read the words once again. Bento. Bento. Sentaku. Sentaku. Minna. Minna. Hantai. Hantai. Okay, let's go with the one more sound of the alphabet N. Here we have the alphabet N, which comes before the Ka line alphabets and Ga line alphabets. So when N comes before the Ka line alphabets and Ga line alphabets, it should be pronounced as N. It's a kind of nasal pronunciation like N. Okay, let's go with some examples. The first one I have here is Te Ki. Now we here have ki after n, and so we have to pronounce this word as tanki, tanki, which means weather. My second example is ongaku, ongaku, which is music. The third example is kongetsu, kongetsu, which means this month. The fourth example is Bankyo, Bankyo, which means study. I'll pronounce the alphabet words once again. Tanki, Ongaku, Kongetsu, Bankyo. So you were able to hear the nasal sound I did. Might be it's a little bit difficult at this stage, but keep practicing. You will become perfect. So we have learnt all the hiragana alphabets, their different pronunciations, the mixed sounds, the long sounds, and so many vocabulary. Keep practicing them. I'll come with my next video of katakana alphabets. Keep waiting and keep watching my videos. Thank you.